Okay, I'm going to show you a way to make a name tag that works out pretty well. These ones usually turn out and look pretty cool. So first thing you can do is first get your base shape in there. So we know our length is 50, width is 30, and our height is 8. So there's our design envelope. And what I'm going to do from there is I'm going to extrude a rectangle out of the middle of this. So you go up here, go to sketch, get this rectangle, click on this surface, then click right up here on the corner of that. See how it snaps to that little corner right there? I'm going to go from that corner down to this little corner here, and then I'm going to hit enter. Then I'm going to go up to my construct and down to extrude. Click in that center right there. I'm going to go half the distance of the thickness. So it's 8 millimeters thick. So I'm going to do -4. You can go more if you want, but I'm just going to do -4. Enter. And then I'm going to grab this corner here. I'm going to drag that away. I'm going to click on it and hit delete. Get rid of that drawing pane that was on there. So now we have a nice little cube with a hole in it, kind of indented. Okay, from there you want to draw on this surface, and you can put your name, you can put designs, whatever. So I'm going to put my name, I put my text, click on text up here, click on this surface. See how it selected this surface down here? If it's not selecting that surface, it's because you didn't delete that surface that was on top of this that I showed you to do. So you click here, specify wherever you want your text, rotate it, get it how you want it, move it around. One thing I've noticed with text is that it's better if it's, well, not necessarily better, but if you make it larger, 3D printer can handle it a little better. And so if you get some of those really thin texts that are like cursive and stuff, sometimes those don't show up very well in a 3D printer. A lot of times the blockier stuff is better. But you know, I've seen some cursive ones that look pretty good too. So I have my text. I'm gonna write my name, Mr. W. I'm gonna highlight it and I'm gonna make it bold. And I'm gonna try to get it as large as I can without going outside of this area. So I don't know, that's pretty good right there. I'm gonna just kind of center it. I'm gonna hit OK. Now I want to extrude that up. So I go up to my construct, extrude. Make sure you're clicking on the actual letters themselves. Don't click in this area over here. Click right on the letters. You see how they kind of turn green? So I'm going to turn green, click on them. And remember, I went 4 down, so now I'm going to go 4 up. So 4, enter. Now I have my name tag that it's kind of inset there. So I can do that. I can put a hole right here, do whatever, change up design. This doesn't have to be a rectangle. It could be any other shape. It could be an oval or something. But that's just another way to make a keychain that I've seen looks pretty good when they print. So feel free to, for your final one, if you want to, try this out.